InVideo has recently announced the beta launch of InVideo AI version 3.0, and we will see how to access this latest version of InVideo AI, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. You can use the link given in this video's description to open InVideo and then create or log in into your account. After login, if you click here, then you can select which version of InVideo do you want to use, and I have selected the latest version. But if you cannot see this option, then click on your profile icon, click on settings, and then make sure that the beta features toggle is turned on. Once you enable the beta features, you will be able to see the InVideo AI version 3.0. Now, let's see what this version can do. According to InVideo, what sets version 3.0 apart is its ability to generate entirely new content rather than piecing together existing clips or assets. This version is designed for a wide range of users. It's a versatile tool that allows anyone to explore the capabilities of generative media without needing advanced technical skills or editing experience. You can check this new version and all of its current features right away to know its capabilities. If you want some tutorials on other AI video creation tools, then you can check these videos right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.